Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna install this dash camera in my car. I have had many of different types of dash cameras installed in this car and in many other cars. But the problem with those dash cameras is every time when I'm driving, those will like shut off in the middle of the driving. So I have to unplug it and plug it back, and it will start working. And it was like it was so frequent, I got tired of it, so I have thrown that dash camera in a trash. So I did my research and I thought maybe it's time to upgrade to a better dash camera, because dash camera really saved myself from a bad driver in the past. That was 5-6 years ago. So this Garmin is a very well-known brand. I paid for this dash camera out of my pocket. It's not like a promotional thing. So in case if you guys going to buy a dash camera, please do your research and buy the one that is the best. There are better cameras than this, but this is the only one that fits my budget. So it does come with a mount, and it has a double-sided tape, and it also comes with a memory card, which is very good, because most of the dash cameras never come with a memory card. And the memory card in this dash cam is 32 gigs. But I'm gonna remove this one and I'm going to install my own memory card, which is 64 gigs. So let's do that. First of all, I'm gonna just mount the camera where I want it to be. So remove the double-sided tape from it. And then see where it works the best for you guys. So I'm gonna just probably leave it right there, and press it down, make sure it doesn't come off. Okay, well, there are a lot of buttons on the side. I should have looked at the buttons before. It's too late now. Now let's see what else it comes with. Okay, so it comes with two USB cable that you guys can plug it into the cigarette lighter or this 12-volt outlet in your car. And one cable is long, the other one is short. The longer one, if you guys wanna install it in the back, right over there, you guys can use the longer cable if you guys want to record whoever is behind you, or if you guys want to just record and use the camera for the front windshield, you guys can just use the smaller cable. Okay, so let's plug this in right over here. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm plugging it right. Yeah, and then plug it straight into the socket outlet right here. Just rotate this damn thing. Right here. Okay, this is the memory card that's my own. And this is the memory card that came with the camera. This one is 32 gigs, and this is the one that I bought online. This is 64 gigs, I believe. Yes, 64. So the memory slot is right over here. If I can remove this tab right here, and okay. Now let's turn the car to the ACC position. Steering is locked, and it should come on. Yeah, it's turning on. Okay, so I came to this side, so to show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe this button? No, okay. So this is for up and down, like moving scrolling the list up and down, these two buttons. And hopefully this one is enter. So let's see. Yeah, that one is enter. Then America, English, enter. And then agree. So this one is enter again. Format card. Said, yeah, go ahead, format the card, because the card I inserted, it was previously used. So press this again, formatting the card, and place the camera left, center. Okay, you just press enter. You want a tall, your vehicle height tall or normal car. You guys can just go, if it's like a SUV, you guys can choose this button, go up. So I chose truck, and then press enter. And record audio on or off. Just use this upper scroll button to go up, and then enter. I want the audio recorded also. So, and then it says the Garmin Drive app makes it easy to view and share videos from secure online vault. So okay. And if you guys scan this barcode with your phone, it will take you guys straight to the Garmin app on your phone, and you guys can download it from there, which is called Drive, Garmin Drive. And then press OK. And that's very simple and easy to set up this camera. So once you guys press this enter button again, like in case if you guys are driving, and if you guys hit the enter button at the time when it's recording, it will also take a picture and save it onto the memory card. So I suggest you guys go and install your app, and then enable your Bluetooth, and you guys will be able to find this camera on your phone Bluetooth, and then connect your phone to this camera through Bluetooth. And you guys can, there are many settings once you guys go to the app, and you guys can control this camera from the app. And the reason I'm installing this camera is because I have told you guys in the past, the cameras that I had, it used to turn off all the time, and it says display timeout in 2-1. So it turns off when the display time is out, or you guys can just choose the setting to leave it on all the time. When the display is off, it doesn't mean it's not recording, it is recording. So many years ago, let me share a story with you guys. I'm not gonna waste your time, but it's a wonderful story to listen to. So few years ago, 5-6 years ago, I had a 80 series landcruiser, and there was a guy ahead of me, and he stopped on a stop sign, and then he continued to drive, and I was right behind him. So when he stopped on the stop sign, and when he moved forward after that, I was the one that stopped on the stop sign. And this guy, he, for no reason, he stopped in the middle of the road and put his car in reverse, and he kept coming reverse, even though I honked at him, but he didn't stop, and he hit my car while I was stopped at the stop sign. So this guy, I still may have that footage. So this guy, he came out of the car, and he said, you hit my car. I said, no, you hit my car, even though I honked at you, and I was parked right in front of, I was stopped right in front of the stop sign. He said, no. So I pointed at my dash camera that I had in my car. I told him to look at my windscreen. There's a dash camera. It recorded everything. And as soon as he saw my dash camera, so he started begging me. He said he's gonna give me $50 to repair my car bumper, because the bumper bracket was bent and it looked very ugly. It was not a big damage, but it looked very ugly. And then he said, no, I told him, you fix my car. If it's gonna cost you $10, $50, I want you to fix my car. Long story short, he said he will take me for a lunch. I said, I don't want to eat lunch. I don't need your $50. Just give me your insurance number. So he gave me. I finally called the police, and the police gave my insurance number to him and his to me. And I uploaded that footage to Geico, and then Geico paid me through their estimator. They paid me like $1,600 to fix my car, and I fixed that car myself. So dash camera is very necessary. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and you guys have a nice day. Bye. Just driving around for the sake of the camera footage, so you guys can see. You guys can see how is the picture quality.